Attention please again. CBeebies United Kingdom. We're sorry, pass away to your bedtime at 7 a.m. and will be tomorrow falling crackers 8:55 p.m. morning. 48 minutes ago. In falling firecrackers in December 23, 2006, UK. CBeebies. Bye. But we can't stop it. In falling firecrackers explosion crash attack in UK, United Kingdom, CBeebies in December 23rd, 2006, and will be tomorrow, 48 minutes ago, and 8:55 p.m. morning, and 48 minutes ago, fireworks explosion crash attack, bedtime, and 7 a.m.
Put in the shoe.